And the NASDAQ both hit lifetime highs today. The NASDAQ's still there, but S&P IQ's Chief Investment Officer Erin Gibbons expects something about the blue chip index that you may not know. She's here with us now. What don't we know about the Dow?
All right, so the big thing is that basically the Dow Jones Industrials has about twice the weight of industrials versus a broader benchmark like the S&P 500. And industrials aren't doing so well, and we're not expecting them to do so well for the next 6 months, essentially flat earnings versus a broader market. If you go into the S&P 500, you get more exposure to your healthcare, to your information technology, consumer staples, those sectors that are growing faster and are also cheaper.
Well, let me just push back here. You've got Cisco, Apple, Microsoft. Microsoft is at highs it hasn't seen since 2000 today. So, I mean, I know they're industrial in a way because they make stuff, but why would you say stay away from that?
So, one, they're the slow growers in information technology. There are a lot of better opportunities when it comes to that. We're talking the old school technology, the Cisco's, the Microsoft. You get a bit more growth and better valuations when looking at a broader index. And yes, there is exposure to technology, there is exposure to consumer discretion. I'm not saying there isn't any, but you get more and you tend to get your better values.
Okay, so you say look through the 500 window.
Yep.
You get a better vision, right? Not the 30, because that's diminished. So now I'm dying to know, just give us some names, because here we are in the midst of August and people are saying, if I wanted to put a little money to work, where should I do it?
All right, so I'm focusing on information technology, Apple. I know it's been beaten up. It's sort of like not anybody's favorite right now, but that actually makes it a great value. Where they're also coming out with the iPhone 7 in September.
It's down 4.5% over the past year.
We typically expect when they get a new release that typically brings it back up. They've also got $29 of cash per share.
I like Gilead because it's got a dividend. You know, Byron Wien of Blackstone was here yesterday, and he said buy unloved stocks that have great dividends. It's down 31% over the past year, and yet it has a dividend of 2.3%.
And we really see some of the negative comments about shorter, basically cycles for treating for Hep C, some competition from Merck. So there's a lot of negative news. It's unloved, but it still has some great growth, and we love that stock.
Okay, now I'm waving my arms because Erin says this is her outsider favorite, Sprouts.
Sprouts Farmers Market. It's a little smaller than what we talked about in the other two, but it produces very high quality organic food, but at a discount. And they have had phenomenal growth. They're opening 36 new stores this year. They're looking at 15% revenue growth, and another fairly decent value. They're still trading below their peers. So you know, we all love our health food, and this is one of that trends.
Yeah, we love that health yogurt. Sure,
yes.
Sure, and chocolate too. Erin, great to see you. Erin is with S&P Global Market Intelligence. She's the Chief Investment Officer. We'll put all of